Welcome to Little Panda's Sports Champion. Many challenging sports events are waiting for you. Participating in the competitions will consume hearts. You can get your hearts here. Shooting competition. Tap on it and hit the targets. Just like that. Hit the targets to get points. This is your opponent. Defeat him and be the first. Go! Difficulty level upgrades. Keep going. Now you can shoot 2 arrows at once. Great job! Now you can challenge even stronger raccoon dog.
You look pretty tough. How about a match with me?
Shooting competition. Now you can shoot 2 arrows at once. Difficulty level upgrades. Keep going. Great work! An even stronger raccoon dog wants to compete with you.
You look pretty tough. How about a match with me?
Obstacles racing. When the sighting device turns red, tap on the screen to break the rock. Good job! This is your opponent. Cross the finish line first to defeat it.
Go!
The shield can protect you. Upgrade. Your shield is broken. Going. Watch out for rocks. The shield can protect you. Your shield is broken. Watch out for rocks. Awesome! The kangaroo has become even more powerful. Come and defeat it.
I'm more powerful!
Fruit catching competition. Drag Kiki to... Good job! You'll get the points by catching fruits. This is your opponent. Defeat him and be the first.
Go!
Difficulty level upgrades. Keep going. Awesome! The gorilla has become more powerful. Come and defeat it.
I'm more powerful!
Pitching competition. Slide the ball to hit the cave. Good job! Once hit, you'll earn the points. This is your opponent. Defeat him and be the first.
Go! Hoi!
Difficulty level upgrades. Keep going. Great! Now you can challenge even stronger bear! You're out of hearts! Go to the supply station to get more hearts to continue the game! Heart Supply Station! Break the bubbles to get hearts, and you can join more games!
Go!
You've got one heart! Keep going! A big wave of bubbles are coming! Great work! You've collected 5 hearts. Use them to participate in a competition. Climbing race. Slide the screen to dot. This is your opponent. Cross the finish line first to win the race.
Go!
Difficulty level upgrades. The shield can protect you once. Your shield is broken. Watch out for rocks. Your shield is broken. Watch out for rocks. Great work! An even tougher squirrel wants to compete with you.
You seem like a great climber. How about a match with me?
Here is your new sticker.